Hazrat Anas radiyallahu anhu said, a slave's witness is lawful provided he is just, and Shureh and Zurara bin Awfa have declared it valid. Ibn Sirin says his evidence is permissible except when a slave gives witness about his master. Hasan Basri and Ibrahim Nakhai have declared it permissible in petty affairs. Shureh says, all of you are the progeny of slaves and slave girls. Hazrat Ibn Abi Mulaika has reported from Hazrat Uqba bin Haris radiyallahu anhu, or I heard from him that he married Yahya, the daughter of Abu Lahab. The reporter says, a black slave girl came and said, I have wet nursed both of you. So I mentioned it to the Prophet ﷺ, and he turned his face away from me. I came from the other side and again submitted my problem. Then he ﷺ said, how can this marriage be valid when she claims to breastfeed both of you? So he ﷺ forbade him to keep her. Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 2659.